Hello guys, welcome back sa ating channel. So sa video ito, ituturo ko yung part 2 ng evaluation of algebraic expressions. Okay, meron tayong 10 problem dito. Isosolve natin siya isa-isa. Okay, for number 1, 3abc plus bc minus a. Again, pag nag-evaluate tayo, isa-substitute lang natin yung mga value ng variable dito sa equation. Okay. 3 times a is 4, b is negative 5, c is 0.6, then plus b, negative 5 times c is 0.6, then minus a is 4. So, ganun lang. Substitute lang natin yung mga values. Then, simplify natin. 3 times 4 is 12. So, isa-isahin lang natin para malinaw. 0.5 times, negative 5 times 0.6 is, pakita natin dito. 5 times 6 is 30, 5 times 0 is 0, then add natin, negative 3.0 kasi 0.6 to. Okay. So, yun na yung result ng negative 5 times 0.6. Actually, pwede nyo naman tong i-calculator no, sa cellphone. So, pinakita ko lang. Then, plus negative 5 times 0.6. Okay, ito na, sinolve na natin. Negative 3, then minus 4. And simplify again. 12 times negative 3 is negative 36, plus negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7. Then, combine natin tong dalawa. Negative 36 plus negative 7 is negative 43. So, yun na yung final answer. And for number 2, bxy plus 5ab minus ay. So, ganun din. Substitute lang natin. B is negative 5. X is negative 3, y is 0.4, then plus 5 times a is 4, b is negative 5, minus ay, a is 4, y is negative 0.4. Then, simplify lang natin. Negative 5 times negative 3 is positive 15 times 0.4. So, isa-isahin lang natin. 5 times 4 is 20 times negative 5. Then, 4 times 0.4 is 1.6. Okay, i-check nyo na lang to sa calculator. Then, simplify ulit. 15 times 0.4 is 6. 20 times negative 5 is negative 100. Then, minus 1.6. Then, combine natin tong dalawang negative. Magiging negative 109.6. Then, kung simplify, magiging negative 95.6. So, ito na yung final answer niya. And for number 3, ganun lang ulit, substitute lang natin. A is 4, B is negative 5, Z is 1/2. Okay, yung 1/2 is, convert namin sa decimal, magiging 0.5 siya. Okay, check nyo na lang sa calculator. Then, negative 8Z, Z natin is 1/2, again, 0.5 siya, plus B, B is negative 5. So, yun lang, sinubstitute lang natin mga values again. Then, simplify. 4 times negative 5 is negative 20 times 0.5. 8 times 0.5 is 4. Then, plus negative 5 is minus 5. Okay, simplify na naman. Negative 20 times 0.5 is negative 10. Minus 4, negative 4 minus 5 is negative 9. Then, negative 10 minus 9 is negative 19. Okay, yun yung final answer niya. For number 4 naman, kaya ganun lang yan, paulit-ulit lang, substitute lang ulit yung value. A is 4, X is negative 3, plus B is negative 5, Y is 0.4, minus C is 0.6, Z is 1/2 or 0.5 siya na mamaya convert natin. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12, negative 5 times 0.4 is, okay, pakita natin dito kung paano natin ma-solve. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 0 is 0. Then, add. Magiging negative 2.0 kasi may 0.4 dito. Okay. So, or negative 2. So, negative 5 times 0.4 is negative 2. Then, minus 0.6 times 1/2 is, again, 1/2 is 0.5 siya, no? So, ipakita natin dito kung paano siya naging 0.5. So, 1 divided by 2 is times 0.5 0.5 times 2 is 10, then subtract natin 0. So 1/2 is equal to 0.5. So magiging 0.6 times 0.5 to. Then simplify lang natin. Negative 12 plus negative 2 is negative 14 minus 0.6 times 0.5 is, pakita natin dito, 5 times 6 is 30, 5 times 0 is 0, or 0 times 0 is 0. Then bring down, move tayo ng dalawang decimal places kasi dalawa silang 0.6 and 0.5. Okay, so 0.6 times 0.5 is 0.3. Then subtract lang natin, 0.14 minus 0.3 is equivalent to negative 14.3. Okay, same silang negative, so inad lang natin and copy natin yung sign. Negative 14.3 is the final answer. And number 5, ito, division na siya, no? 4ax divided by cz, or pwede natin siyang isulat ng ganito. Then substitute lang ulit yung value. 4 times a is 4, x is negative 3, then c is 0.6. Yung z natin again is 1/2 is equivalent to 0.5. Then simplify lang. 4 times 4 is 16. 0.6 times 0.5 is 0.3. And simplify ulit. 16 times negative 3 is negative 48 divided by 0.3. Then divide natin tong dalawa. Equivalent niyan is negative 160. So check nyo na lang, no, sa calculator. Then number 6, 3x squared plus 2xy minus 3, quantity ab to the power of 2. Okay, meron na siya dito mga exponent. So ganun lang din, x is negative 3, so squared siya kasi squared siya dito, plus 2, then x natin is negative 3, y is 0.4 minus 3 times ab squared. So a natin is 4, b natin is negative 5, then raise natin tong dalawang to the power of 2. Then simplify. Negative 3 squared is 9. Okay. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Then negative 6 times 0.4 is negative 2.4. Okay, check nyo na lang. 3 times 4 times negative 5 is negative 20 raised to the power of 2. Okay, sasayin lang natin. 3 times 9 is 27. Then magiging minus 2.4 to. Then ito, negative 20 to the power of 2 is 400. 20 squared lang yan. Then 27 minus 2.4 is 24.6. Then 3 times 400 is 1,200. Okay. Simplify natin to. Magiging result niya is 1,175.4. So ito na yung final answer niya. And for number 7, ganun lang ulit, substitute lang. X natin is negative 3 squared, y is 0.4, then 3a squared, a natin is 4, so 4 squared, b is negative 5, then minus az squared, a is 4, z natin is 1/2 or 0.5 squared. So ito na. Then simplify. Negative 3 squared is 9, okay, times 0.4, then 4 squared is 16, so isa-sign lang natin ulit. 0.5 squared is 0.25. Then simplify ulit. 2 times 9 is 18, 3 times 16 is 48, 4 times 0.25 is 1. Then yun lang, simplify na naman. 18 times 0.4 is 7.2, 48 times negative 5 is negative 240, and copy lang yung minus 1. And lastly, kung i-add natin itong lahat, 25 minus 7.2 minus 240 minus 1, yung result na is magiging negative 223.2. Okay. Okay, for number 8, meron tayong az to the power of 2 plus 5x squared y minus 4bc. So again, substitute lang natin. Yung a is 4, z is 1/2, 4.5, then 5 times x squared. X is negative 3, y is 0.4, then minus 4bc. For b is negative 5, c is 0.6. Then simplify lang. 4 times 0.5 is 2. Negative 3 squared is 9. 4 times negative 5 is positive 20. Then simplify ulit. 2 squared is 4. 5 times 9 is 45. 20 times 0.6 is 12. And 45 times 0.4 is 18. Then add lang natin ng tatlo. The answer is 34. And for number 9, 2x squared y squared minus 12 abz minus 16. Yan, substitute lang. X is negative. So x natin is negative 3. Then yung y natin is 0.4. Then a is 4. B is negative 5, Z is 1 half or 0.5, then minus 16. And simplify. 2 times 9 is 18. Then 48, negative 48 times negative 2.5 is 120. 18 times 0.16 is 2.88 plus 20 minus 16. Simplify natin itong tatlo. Result is 106.88. And lastly, z natin is again 1 half or 0.5 to the power of 3 minus 4x. X is negative 3. Then y is 0.4 squared. And simplify. 0.5 cube is 1.125. Then negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. 0.4 squared is 0.16. Then 8 times 0.125 is 1. 12 plus 0.16 is 12.16. Then add lang natin. The answer is 13.6. Okay? Yun lang. Sana marami kayong natutunan. Thanks for watching.